words that come to mind when you think of the desk are dynamism, organic, movement, craftsmanship. The sense of volume is synonymous with Wendell Castle. You look at these pieces and you wonder, are they sculpture? Are they furniture? Are they utilitarian? As much as he wanted to be a sculptor, he was also really a true craftsman. Wendell started out as an art student at the University of Kansas. He was largely known in the late 50s for his work as a sculptor. And in the early 1960s, he started experimenting with sculpture that was slightly functional. Wendell's scribe stool of 1962 was a turning point in his career. And it's one of the first examples of where he takes his sculpture and turns it into something that can be sat on. Wendell Castle's executive desk is incredible. It's sculptural, it has every quality you want in a Wendell Castle design. The first thing that is striking when you view the piece is its asymmetry. It's a beautiful cantilever silhouette that rises from the ground. There's almost no right angles in the entire piece. Even the drawers, they're not rectilinear, they're wedge drawers that come out to create this sense of constant movement around the desk. Stack lamination is a process that Wendell Castle developed largely around the mid-60s, and he actually had read about the technique as a teenager in a woodworking magazine, but he didn't have the equipment to really bring this technique to fruition until the 60s when he was working for the Rochester Institute of Technology. There were 3 versions of this desk executed, this being the first in walnut in 1973. In the course of our research, we found that the desk belonged to Wendell. He used it in his office on a daily basis. The current owner acquired it from Wendell Castle in 1981, and it's resided in his office ever since. This desk is an object that can be experienced for its beauty, its pure aesthetic qualities, or also its function as an actual writing surface. I think Wendell probably would have preferred it to be viewed as art that happens to be functional. Stacked laminate pieces from the mid-60s to mid-70s don't come up at auction very often, and it's a technique that's highly prized by collectors. Wendell inspired a blurred line between art and design, and it's that legacy which influences so many contemporary designers today.